with the help of farming he was running his family. So my dear friends, one day he chose another place for farming. Hello my beautiful people, good morning, namaskar, johar, vanakkam, and I mostly welcome you in my new video. I hope guys you people are doing great. If you all are doing great, then I am also doing fine, fantastic, and enjoying my life. So guys, as you can see, this is my place where I come for practice English, and today I also came this place for speaking with you. So my dear friends, today I could not wake up on time because yesterday I went to attend a meeting. So guys, I was feeling sleepy, so that's why I could not wake up early in the morning. So guys, today I came this place for practice English, for sharing something with you. So my dear friends, today I would like to tell you a story. So my friends, let's start this. So my dear friends, once upon a time there was a farmer named Ramu. Yes my friends, you heard right, there was a farmer named Ramu. And one day, and he was a great farmer. He was farming. With the help of farming he was running his family. So my dear friends, one day he chose another place for farming, and there was no water, so that's why he decided to dig a well. So my dear friends, what happened, he think in mind and he started working for a well. So my dear friends, he work for digging well. Uh, he tries here and he tries here, and only he work to, 10 feet he dig, and he says, oh, I'm not getting water. So he just go another place, and also he try there, and only he dig only 10 feet, and he says, oh, I'm not getting water. He move next place, and he also there says that he also tries there 10 feet, and he says, oh, I'm not getting water, where I should dig. And my dear friends, what happened, he destroy his whole field, and what says, oh, I worked too hard but I did not get water. And what he made mistake, my dear friends, because he was not consistency. He was idea, but he was no consistency. Because lack of consistency, he could not get water. So my dear friends, what I would like to tell you, my dear friends, I would like to tell you that if you are learning, if you want to master in English, then you need consistency. You have to focus on only one thing. If you will say, I have to become a public speaker, I have to become a translator, I have to become a blogger, if you will say, and sometime it's all in English. Yes my dear friends. And if you sometime you will say that I will become a doctor, I will become an engineer, I will become a mm, pilot, if you will say like this, you are not gonna do anything. So my dear friends, if you have to do one thing, then focus only on one thing, because you will also be like Ramu. He wasted his field and his time for digging a well. So my dear friends, you have to think in only for one goal, and you have to only work for that. So my dear friends, it's enough for today. So bye for now, see you next time, take care, have a great day.